When you're cooking up a storm, the last thing you want to worry about is the state of your kitchen tools. Over time, your wooden chopping board can become stained, scratched, and rough to the touch, while utensils can become discoloured or even start to crack. Not only is this unsightly, but it can also be unhygienic. That's where a protective food-safe coating comes in. By coating your wooden kitchen tools, you're providing a protective layer that keeps them in tip-top condition. But first, let's take a look at what you'll need. A food-safe Feast Watson kitchen timber wax or Feast Watson orange oil, a clean cloth, some fine grit wet dry sandpaper, gloves, and a little warm water with dishwashing liquid. For an extra smooth finish, we're using a wet sanding technique. Grab a piece of wet dry sandpaper and soak it in warm water with a little dishwashing liquid. Once the sandpaper is nice and wet, start gently sanding your chopping board, being sure to go with the grain of the wood. Wipe off excess dust with a clean cloth. For a clear satin finish, apply Feast Watson kitchen timber wax using a clean cloth in a circular motion. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes to penetrate the timber. Remember to wipe away any excess wax. For a clear matte look that enhances the natural grain of the timber, apply Feast Watson orange oil in the same way. And there you have it! By coating your wooden chopping boards and kitchen utensils in a food-safe coating and using the wet sanding technique for a smooth finish, your tools will be protected and looking as good as new. Happy cooking!